Hello, and I'm back again, maths fans, with some more Maths Watch help, this time relating to clip A14, A, B and C, or Year 9 assignment, question 22. And we're looking at how to find the gradient of the blue line here. Well, we've talked about gradient in previous clips. If you've looked at previous questions, I'm talking about question 20. If you watch that clip, you would see that I've already given some feedback on that, but just quickly revise this. Okay, to find the gradient, it means steepness, the steepness of the line. What happens to the steepness of the line? We look at how far the line travels for every 1 unit we go horizontally. Now, remember what I said about this. You look along the line for a nice place to start counting your horizontal and vertical line. This place here would not be good. Because we don't know how far to count horizontally. It's not perfectly on the grid. Okay, if you look at this point here, lovely. Okay, it's perfectly on a cross of the grid. No, yes, that would work. No, I'm going along the line here to another point. Yes, so we've got about 3 or 4 points there that we can use. 3 points, I think, altogether. Now, one of the methods that I showed you before is, look, choose a point. For example, 1 unit horizontally. How far do I travel vertically? That's 1 unit, and look, I can't read that off, can I? Okay, so this method doesn't work here, so we have to go to the second method, which is the vertical and horizontal method, and this is the way we're going to go about doing this. Okay, so I'll start from here again, and I push a bit of crosses really. I'm going to go across to the next point I can count, and that's that point there. Okay, so let's have a look now. To get from this point to this point, how far horizontally do we have to move? Do we have to go? We have to travel 1, 2, 3, 4 squares horizontally and 1 square vertically. Okay, now be careful here. Remember, the gradient is the vertical divided by the horizontal, sometimes called the rise over the run. Rise over the run. Vertical, in this case, is 1 and horizontal is 4. Now, some people are going to be tempted to put this the other way around. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it that the larger number's on the denominator. That doesn't always happen. You have to go with what the graph is showing you. So the horizontal is 4, the vertical is 1. So actually the gradient, look at that, it's a quarter. Okay, so that's actually the answer, a quarter. What is a quarter? Well, hopefully you should know from decimals, that's 0.25. Okay, so we have got a gradient of less than 1 there, and that can happen. Remember, the gradient could be any number. It just so happens that when we're starting off, a lot of the answers are whole numbers, but in this case, 0.25 is the gradient, or a quarter. I hope that makes sense. Is there any other way I could show this? I suppose I could show it here. Look, from this point here to this point here, how far horizontally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 horizontal there, and 2 vertical. Would it give me the same answer? Vertical divided by horizontal. This time would be 8 divided by 2. No, you see what I've done there? I automatically made the mistake I said that people make. No, I've put vertical as 8. It's the horizontal that's 8, so that's not right. Okay, let's try again. Vertical is 2 and horizontal is 8. 2 divided by 8, we can simplify that fraction to 1 over 4. Look, it's the same answer. So don't worry about choosing, I must choose the right point. If you get a point that's perfectly on the grid, that will do. And another point that's perfectly on the grid, what I mean is in line with the cross of the graph paper, that will do. Don't use any other points though. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you soon.